This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ram Almogue. First floor condo unit in a gated community. Split floor plan, 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms and a large screened-in patio. Tile floors throughout, walk-in closet, central air conditioner, washer/dryer in the unit. Storm shutters, front windows, unit needs some TLC and priced accordingly. Community offers beautiful grounds, tropical landscape and lakes, clubhouse, fitness center, swimming pool, hot tub, sauna and BBQ/picnic area. Condo dues include management fee, common area and roof maintenance and insurance, pest control, water, sewer and trash removal. Investor friendly, can lease immediately after purchase. For more information, review the details below.